Hello guys and welcome back, and in today's short there was just an update on the tropical storm that's now formed out in the Atlantic Ocean. From what the National Hurricane Center is saying, it is going to be a major hurricane by this Saturday at 11 a.m. So if you haven't looked at the NHC yet, I would, because they will be telling you guys some important info, and if you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.